Founded in 2008, Zhuhai Hengqin District Huawei New Energy Company Limited is located in the Special Economic Zone, Zhuhai City, Guangdong Province. We are a national high-tech enterprise specialized in the R&D, manufacturing, sales and service of LED power supply. Focusing on the international management policy, we have launched the strategy of talent reserve at home and abroad to build up an outstanding talent team. Formed a strategic partnership with the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China, our company has constantly improved the professionalism of our team and continuously instilled new high-tech knowledge into the team. We firmly hold the belief that outstanding talents can create a promising future. Currently own 19 utility patents and several invention patents. Our unique intelligent control system, high-precision automation, and lean operation has created high-quality products which have obtained over 10 certifications. Huawei New Energy manufactures a series of products such as ultra-slim waterproof power supply with 100% aluminum shell design, super slim plastic case power supply, a full power 20 watts power supply with a thickness as low as 12 millimeters. High-end waterproof power supply with dual high PFC design has passed CE, EMC, SAA, ETL, CB, UKCA, CCC, and other certifications with 5 years warranty. Triac daily dimming power supply with stable operation, compatible with international mainstream dimmers. With key market insight and cutting-edge information of the industry, Huawei New Energy is committed to product innovation and development. With a long-term win-win relationship, we managed to be a reliable partner with customers, suppliers, and employees. With high quality and best customer service, our LED power supply has been sold widely and is well known all over the world. With more than 10 years of perseverance and development, Huawei New Energy has been advancing and has never stopped to create China's first-class national brand and to be a sustainable enterprise.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.